Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be making cupcakes. Alright, so here you need to get a butter. I will do 2 eggs. And I'm not using vanilla, but you guys can use vanilla. I'm using Nutella because I don't have any vanilla. And then this is for the sugar. Half a fourth, and this is what I mix because I don't have anything else. Alright, let me get this. Is the sugar. Alright. So I'm gonna get the sugar. Oh, never mind. Alright, we're gonna use these are kitchen scissors so they won't hurt you. Probably. They might hurt you. Yeah. God, where did you put the other ones? Yeah, these are scissors, real scissors to like cut paper and stuff. All right.
They're the same one that you use for school.
Let's get that out of here. We're gonna fill this up a little bit, just a little bit. There you go. That's gonna properly fit. Right? We're gonna flatten this up. And we're gonna, this is how much more. So much sugar. Alright. So we're gonna dump it with the butter. Let me just wash this all correct. This, we're gonna need 2 of these, just 2 of these, because you want sugar. Maybe we're just gonna add a little bit more, no, not that much. It's gonna be super sugary, but it's not too eat. If you guys eat, that's gonna have a lot of calories. Alright, I think this is enough. Alright. Yeah, we're supposed to look like this. Alright, the mess that you guys do, you guys need to figure it out because your parents might get mad at you. My parents don't get mad at me if I clean my mess. By the way, I have 2 little bunnies. One of them is called Pozolito, and Choricito. Yeah. I'm gonna get one of these. We're gonna go zzz, right? So you plug it in one of your pluggers. What I do guys, then you always have to wash your dish after.
That's right.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to add this sugar too. Cause you add just a little bit of this sugar. Cause it shows a little white. You guys are gonna use a teaspoon, I think so. Or let's see what I have. You guys are gonna use 1 teaspoon. Can you guys read this? 1 teaspoon. There we go. Alright. Of sugar. So this, can I dip it in here? My parents use this for coffee. Oh, I can make it in here. There you go. Yeah, a little bit more. Just a little half. Alright. I'm gonna wash this. Actually, you don't have to wash it. Just go like that. There you go. For this, we need to put this all back. Alright, this is gonna be a fun experience. When I'm gonna do the cupcakes, I might forever and it's already 6 minutes. Alright. Let me get this one. Oh, I might climb a lot because I'm a climber's kid. I just like climbing. Alright, you guys might hear a little noise. Not bad. Alright, you guys ready? I'm ready, but I'm scared. Ready? Right, that's surprising. It's gonna take a little while. Almost forgot. You guys can use brown eggs, whatever egg. Just you have to have eggs. You do something wrong. Wait, 1, 2, a little cast. Oh, you only have to have with a napkin. This is how small my napkins are because I'm not gonna need a lot. So I'm not gonna do that much. Alright. Right. Ew. This is going to be right. Alright, now we can continue to this. Okay, guys. By the way, I'll show you how it looks at the end. Take a very long time. This little mixing stool. Alright, let's take this stinky out. The little butter out. I think this is coming along good. It smells good. It smells like hot chocolate. You guys want to smell it? You guys can't smell it because this is a video because I'm not at my house. If you guys were at my house, then I'm so proud of you. Okay. Time for peanut. This is a mess with butter. That's how it looks.
Mmm, yummy.
It still has some butter.
Mira.
Thank you, goodbye.
Don't worry, we're gonna fold with this video.
Let's take a break. Just kidding, I'm not taking a break until I'm done. Whew. So much to do. And it even has to go in the oven. I'm gonna add the powder now. So I need to take a break on this. Powder just a little bit, not that much. It's like a teaspoon. Just kidding, you need to add not that much. If you make a little bit, then you need a little. Because you don't want this to make up to a disgust. Let's taste a little bit. delicious. Let's show you how delicious it is. It actually tastes good. I thought it was going to be bad because I have no idea what I'm doing. Now I do. Alright, now it's time for Nutella. I love Nutella. Whoever doesn't like Nutella, I hate them. Just kidding. I have no idea what my dad's doing. Ready, guys? Okay, I guess we need our Nutella. That's what it says. That's way too much chocolate.
Y ahorita se lo mete en la boca.
This is so delicious. It's 5:13 already. 5 in the morning. We're just kidding. 5 in the night. 5:14 now. Okay, let's get back. That's how it looks. I want eggs. Alright, let's put this all back. Alright, what's next? Okay, I think that's done for today, guys. You guys can cook it. Timer, clock, cook time, self-clean. Yeah, because everything. So subscribe and hit that conversation, whatever in the bell. Leave it thumbs up. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.